Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalatu wassalamu alayka ya sayyidi ya Rasulullah wa ala alika wa ashabika ya sayyidi ya Habiballah. Dear viewers, I am going to introduce you to my wireless lock, which I have made with the servo motor, an Arduino, a Bluetooth module with the minimum damage done to the gate. First of all, I interface my servo motor to Arduino by using the example code from the Arduino IDE. As you can see here, the motor is rotating continuously from 0 degree to 180 degree and from 180 degree to 0 degrees back. And after that, I will move towards to the Bluetooth module, and here you can see the circuit diagram, which is very simple. And just one thing is to mention that Bluetooth module needs 5 volts, so 2 of the pins are the power pins. The next 2 pins are one for trans, the other for receive, for the serial data communication with the Arduino. The receive pin of the Bluetooth module needs a level shifter made up of 2 resistors. I use one resistor of 10K, the other 22K. So that the receiver input of the HC05 does not get damaged, because HC05 works on 3.3 volts. And here I have powered on the Bluetooth module. The fast blinking LED means Arduino module is powered on but not connected. The slow blinking LED means the Bluetooth module is connected now. I will check my servo motor along with the Bluetooth module. Here is the servo motor and it is connected to the computer via Bluetooth, and I will use the PuTTY serial terminal to communicate with the Arduino via HC05. I have already paired it on my Windows 10. As you can see here, the device is written as paired. And then I start my PuTTY, and I know that my Bluetooth module is connected at communication port 11, so I mention the COM11 and in the serial interface, and the PuTTY comes in, and here I will transmit my signals, and I have interface such that when the serial terminal transmits 0, the servo motor rotates to 0 degrees, and when I press 1, the servo motor goes to 180 degrees. Here pressing 0, pressing 1, 180 degree shift by the servo motor shaft. Then I check the Bluetooth communication via this Bluetooth app. And here is the gate that will be used, and that has to be opened via Bluetooth module via my mobile application. And here is the servo motor. To attach my servo motor with the gate, I use 3 magnets along with electric tape. Okay, this way I will be able to adjust my servo motor on the gate for the best position of the servo motor, and I attach a ball point to the servo motor shaft, again with the help of electric tape. So roughly seeing the position where it would be suitable, I attach it. So this is the lever that will be used to move the lever of the gate. So here I adjust the position of the servo motor, and here on this tool I have Arduino, power from 220 volt wall outlet via an adapter that converts 220 volts to around 9 volts and given to the Arduino input pin, and Arduino obviously has a voltage regulator on board. The first try gets the servo motor dropped down because my lever is too long. In next try I cut short the lever and adjust the camera to get the better view. Okay. Now I give the command and you can see here the lock lever is being pushed back, but this is a micro servo motor, so I had been trying to see the power of the motor, which unfortunately is not enough to move the gate lever all the way back. So I think I will need a bigger motor, but uh, in this lockdown condition I had just this micro motor, and obviously it's limited in power. When the lock is inside it goes only probably 90 degrees, not more than that, and it's stopped by the gate lever. However, if I open the gate, then it goes a bit more back, but still not enough to open the door, or to close the door in this case. As you can see here, yes, it's moving, but not extent I want it to be. Okay, but Alhamdulillah, the Bluetooth interface is working. I am controlling this motor via my laptop, and I have checked it with my Bluetooth Android phone also. As far as the software is concerned, that is okay. The only hardship is the lever is, or the servo motor is not powerful enough. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.